Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility.
You're about to see how we craft incredibly realistic faux fox fur.
Stay with us and make sure to subscribe.
See how fresh these are.
Definitely from this morning. Maybe the vixen.
All right, nice and easy. We're just going to cover you up now. You'll be safe soon. Dermatoscope shows excellent follicle density.
Calipers read 45 millimeters. Very healthy coat.
You're doing so well. Just a quick little spot on and we are all done. Good boy. Steady, steady.
You're up.
Keep them moving smoothly.
There you go, nice and slow. Good fox.
We're seeing high correlation between the laser scan and the density metrics here.
Yes, the fur quality is optimal on these samples.
The AI is showing a density variance of 5% on the lower flank.
Rerunning the texture scan now. The luster score seems low.
The temperature in vat 3 is holding steady.
Good, let's check the pH balance on the display.
Humidity levels are stable at 70%. I'm increasing the temperature by 2 degrees.
We need to adjust this shoulder line slightly.
Yes, that will ensure a cleaner drape on the coat.
the culmination of vision and craftsmanship, ready to redefine your journey.
If we shift this down slightly,
We save that whole section. Yes.
yes, and the grading still matches the template perfectly here.
Make sure the collar sits exactly like that.
Yes, the volume here needs to be perfect.
This cashmere is exquisite, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Ready for the silk bag now.
Yeah.
Although,
This golden one is absolutely exquisite, my dear.
It truly is stunning. The craftsmanship is superb.
To maintain the plush texture, we recommend professional dry cleaning. When storing it, use a breathable garment bag away from direct sunlight.
Okay.
If we shift this pattern here, we utilize the entire section.
What about the texture matching?
The system compensates. Look at the yield.
That saves us nearly 5%.
showcasing our commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility.
Whew. I can't believe how soft this is. It's absolutely beautiful.
I love the volume here.
Yes. We could render that texture in the simulation.
Let's try the sapphire colorway.
The waste reduction numbers just spiked. We're well past the target.
Good. Let's send the efficiency report upstairs.
Blending luxury and technology, we invite you to explore the journey of your garment, ensuring unparalleled transparency and quality.
I really love the cut of this one. It's so warm.
It suits you perfectly. We should get them both.
All measurements confirmed. Quality check passed. Move to shipping.
From the wild forests to your wardrobe, every step is crafted with care, precision, and respect.